that stole a Camaro, specifically a 6th gen. Is it an LT1? Is it an SS? We don't know. But what we do know is we're going to pimp this Camaro. Woo! Cue the intro.
Disclaimer. This is not a how-to video. If you unplug your taillights and your engine explodes, it's not our fault, but it's not your fault either.
It definitely is your fault.
It is. It probably is.
But if you do have a 2008 Honda Odyssey, this is actually a how-to video for you.
It is.
This is Rob. I don't think he's homeless, yo. He might be homeless.
Rob, your rear bumper has to come off.
Yeah.
You knew?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
For the record, I want to point this out to everybody here. Rob told us, quote, "It is 3 bolts." And what is the temperature currently? It's warmer than the last video.
Oh, it's so warm. It's like 30, dude.
It's 30.
We live in Lux. That feels like it's 23.
I know, it feels good now.
It feels great.
It's actually
Dude, I'm about to put on my shorts and go skinny dipping. Wait, you mean take off my shorts?
Yo, well, look, we might as well start this shit.
It is
Automatic.
automatic.
Install. Make sure you have the right parts. This is why every Booost shoot takes 5 months. Check us out. How they look, chat?
Yeah,
Upside down.
Nice.
There we go.
Yeah, what if he dropped them? Yeah, what if he dropped them? Yeah, what if he dropped them?
They're darker than I thought they were gonna be.
His light will come on.
Yeah, they.
That's good. These came out of the box.
Couldn't tell
Where does
you.
this plug into?
I couldn't tell you.
Dude, do we have to fucking reuse the, do we have to take apart the connectors? I don't have my soldering gun. I wish I did, you know why? Cause it's fucking snap-on!
They're all like that.
Yeah, dude.
It says they're just plug and play though. I'm gonna start getting the other side. Or the bottom, or the T15s.
Yeah. Where's your shit?
3 dudes take on 1 install. Now, I'm cool with going along with your theory of we can just take off some of the T15s underneath.
Dude, everything's so cold, everything's gonna fucking hurt. What's up with this guy and these and this cheap ass pry tool, dude?
And guess what? Guys, guess what? They do the same thing. One's
except-
$100, one's $5.
Except mine is fucking cool as shit, and I get bitches with it.
Alright, check this out. Whoa.
For what?
Do you use your car for fucking fishing?
Yeah. What?
Well, there's some here as well.
I think I found bait.
But the
Found what?
Bait.
You found a Senko.
What is that?
Wait,
just
where's
found
it?
a fucking
He found a
used
Senko.
Dildo in his
However that got, I have no idea how that got down there.
GM could
Check this out,
add
check this
so much room in the.
This is what we're working on here.
I'm right behind you, careful.
We got a couple T15s in the inner fender weld. Another one right there. And there's Shane down there.
Okay.
What do you got going on down here with your flaccid light?
I'm trying to see if we gotta take this off. I think we gotta just take this part off. Dude, I think it's fine.
instructions.
I know, but I don't know where they are.
They're right there, above Robert's fucking dome.
No, we're just gonna guess, so it's fine.
I mean, we could just part it out and dump the shell somewhere and report it stolen and sell the parts.
Dude, and then you buy a ZL1, dude.
Oh my god, Rob, you have valves.
I took this
Position
phone
two.
off, and all I heard was.
$100 for what, John?
Where's that side?
Look like you're struggling over here.
Dude, I struggle with getting a lot of things out.
So these are simple. These are like, you gotta get a 7-off inside and you kinda have some room. And then it's like 2 push tabs and the electrical connector. So there's 1 push tab.
Lights, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Cystic is an
All right,
erection.
check that out. So I'm curious to see, all right, this is, are they all the same?
I'd assume.
Are the fronts the same as the rears? I think they are. Just in case, I'm gonna,
That's fine, huh?
well, this is probably for the other side, so let's put this one. So what I'm gonna do is hope that when I take this off,
Fuck. Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh.
what are you doing? Oh my God.
Oh. Fuck.
Yeah, Todd.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Look.
Little Asian boy.
How many GM techs does it take to replace a light bulb?
Clearly not enough.
Dude, even like latex gloves so I can get more
I have 1 latex.
grip. That's all I need.
You have one. What were you saving
I
it
have
for?
1
What
latex
were you
glove.
saving it for?
Oh! He got it.
He got it. He did
Check
get it.
this out. We now gotta hope that the, oh, I think it does.
Polarity should not matter. So we're just gonna jam this motherfucker in there, and if it breaks, it's not our part, it's Rob's. I say we hook this up and turn the car on, just make sure everything fucking works. If this works, I need everybody to say, "Thank you, John. You're a better technician than Tyler."
Oh, hey, up. There it is. Bravo.
Boom.
Ty, what the fuck is this? A T16?
T15.
T15's fucking blow dick. I can't.
Oh yeah, dude. Welcome to my world.
How do you do that shit?
Watch this. Hold this.
Do it. Yo, bro. Bro, I was doing that. Just not as fast.
This one's easy. Watch this. Yo, watch this. Watch this.
It's the technique. He's so good with the technique.
Guys, I found the electrical tape. Now this is actually how a General Motors technician wraps electrical tape along things that need to be wrapped in electrical tape. And we're just trying to wrap this to make this a little bit weatherproof, because it's not, because Rob buys aftermarket bullshit that's cheap as fuck and fucking suck. This looks pretty good when it comes to weatherproofing. Now, do you mean to get that? I need you to say Big Boy John. Fuck, dude.
This is how I electrocute myself.
Not a good technician.
All the bolts are out.
That's tragic.
Yeah, just like my actual.
This is tragic. New pad.
Dude, fuck. Don't do it to me. My college days. No. By the way, this is considered a rear fascia. This is not your rear bumper. This is a fascia. It's like a covering for the bumper. Did you know that, Rob?
I did not know that, no.
But we call this the bumper because we're all degenerates.
How easy it is. What are you doing to my flashlight?
Nothing.
What is he doing to my flashlight?
Nothing.
What are they doing over there? Why is it quiet?
They're not doing nothing, man.
It's testy tapping, dude.
Look at this
Stop
shit.
testy tapping me. All right, we're fully disconnected now. What just smacked my back?
Nothing.
Stuck on this.
That didn't sound good.
What are you doing?
Good. It was stuck on the table. Very good.
It sounds quite expensive.
Alright, you guys got it. Alright, I'm letting go. You guys got it.
Beep.
Damn, that's just dirty as fuck.
Rob, look at your car.
This one.
I'll take a picture.
Alright, it's good. So this is actually the bumper, by the way. This is what the bumper is. Or it's considered a crash bar, but really it's called a bumper. That's the fascia, that's the bumper.
Yeah, it is.
A little too good. Oh,
Oh, it's so cold.
damn, my car
Oh,
is
there's a
dirty as
tab.
shit. Holy
You need
fuck.
the hook, man?
Yes.
Throw my socket.
Right here?
Gotta wrestle that. Gotta wrestle it. Oh, you let it know who your daddy is. All right.
Sorry. Oh man, I can't get this connector. Whatever shall I do? Whatever shall I do when I can't get the connector? Quick and do.
We gotta get
Shane,
these
Shane, look,
Phillips heads
Shane,
off.
look.
Oh my
If I can get it in the hole.
It's Mac.
Better go get in the fucking thing and sit in my heat for a minute.
Can I see that? The other taillight? No. The red one. The red one.
Don't even put it on. What the fuck? Bro, why'd you fucking say that to begin with?
Alright, Rob, we can't figure it out. We're just gonna put the OEMs on and.
Rob, I'm gonna let you know, this job, I probably would ask like 2 to 3 hours to do it at work. Our labor rate's $250 an hour, right?
Yeah.
So that comes to, without tax, $750. Just in labor to do it. Next time I see you, if you don't have a fucking beer for me, I'm stabbing you.
I brought you a beer. Look.
No. I don't want that fucking.
This was in my car. I brought it with me. I brought it with me. It was in my car.
You get to go hit the brakes.
Oh, man. All right.
Uh-oh.
What do you mean,
Don't they both supposed to?
No. This one is for the low beam.
No, like this?
No, that's supposed to be his low beam. Rob, watch. Rob, put your lights on.
Hang on.
See?
Okay.
Oh,
hit the brake.
awesome. Yeah, now hit.
Ah.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's really cool.
You guys are fucking retarded.
I don't know anything about Camaros,
That's
dog.
pretty cool.
I don't know. Dude, am I fucking retarded, Tyler? How the fuck this bitch come
it took
off?
me a minute too. Here.
They just hang like this, these wires, dude?
You guys have
Yeah, you had to route them because the OE one, there's a tab that goes here.
Yeah,
but
put the tab
this
back.
one doesn't have. Oh, I did not put the tab back.
Yeah, I did.
I just have it wedged behind.
Dude, this doesn't even.
No, it lined. It was. You have to get it in perfectly. It actually kind of sucked.
So I might be the issue.
Nah.
So I had problems with the fender gap. That's how I kind of knew it was in. Oh, wait, do that again. Did it come on?
It's not going in anymore.
There you go. Well, his isn't plugged in, but it's coming along. This is a great shot of John's ass.
Dude,
You know what's beat-ups time?
Well, once the bumper goes back on, dude, we're cooking with gas. What do you think so far?
It's pretty nice.
You happy with this install?
I'm not.
Oh yeah. Well,
I'm not!
by the way, this light has been like, it's been Shane's favorite thing in the world, I think.
Dude, where the fuck are
I
you?
think it's been always your favorite thing in the world.
Yeah, we don't have time for that. Come on, let's put this bumper on. Let's go to fucking.
You're not even doing anything.
I haven't done any. I've been so cold.
You did the fingers over there. You were pretty good at the fingers.
That wasn't that good. Here we go. We got the tails installed. We got the bumper back on. We're trying to get out of here because it's very cold and we got places to be, aka B-dubs. It is very cold. Tyler is the trooper here. He is.
Yeah,
I did all the work!
He's doing all the work. He's doing all the reinstallation while we are.
I'm not gonna lie.
Get in and start your car. We're gonna see. All right, do your blinkers. Other blinker. Hit your brakes. Hazards. All right. All right. All right.
If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, but you don't have to.
Wait,
Bye.
hold on.
But you don't have to.